Hello students, today we are going to see what is BRT. In short form it is written BRT. It is nothing but bus rapid transit system, in which nothing but in one word if you describe bus rapid transit system, the bus lane, separate lane is provided to a bus which is running in Ahmedabad, Pune and various cities. So I have to demonstrate a video that will explain what exactly bus rapid transit system is. So this is a bus video of bus rapid transit system of Ahmedabad.
World, motorists and pedestrians alike face the brunt of heavy traffic due to the absence of an effective, speedy, dependable and affordable public transport system. Today we are all witness to a phenomenal growth in the use of private vehicles for intra-city travel.
Just to compare, something like America is there, about 1,000 people own almost like 900 cars, and you go to Europe, it's about 350 to 400. Now if you come to India, major cities have in the range of about 65 to 70 cars per 1,000 people, and then if these things become 150 and then they become 300 cars per 1,000, then you are really going to have a choker-boker kind of situation all over the country.
Of river Sabarmati, Ahmedabad has been one of the most important cities in the history of India. Expected to host over 10 million residents by 2031, the city lives a fast-paced lifestyle. It thrives in culture and is a major contributor to India's overall economy. However, the story of Ahmedabad was no different from that of any other fast-growing city in the country.
अहमदाबाद में हर साल 4 लाख से भी ज्यादा व्हीकल ऐड हो रहे हैं। रास्ते उतने हिसाब से बढ़ नहीं रहे।
वो समय कभी नहीं भूल सकता जब पॉल्यूशन अहमदाबाद की पहचान थी। कैरोसिन पर रिक्शा चलते थे और घर से निकलने का मन भी नहीं करता था।
As a heavily polluted city with roads choked with vehicles, there was a time when the residents of Ahmedabad suffered every day. The public transport system was highly ineffective and the traffic problem was left unchecked. In 2006, the BJP-led government took a strong step to solve this ever-increasing problem. A revolutionary new public transport system was born. The Janmarg. Based on the concept of equitable distribution of road space, the bus rapid transit system is a specially allocated corridor within the existing road network that allows right-of-way to thousands of people who do not own a personal vehicle.
पुणे में बीआरटीएस का बुरा हाल है। यहाँ पर ये ऐसी जगह पे बनाया गया है जहाँ पर पहले से ही ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा था और इसके वजह से हमें बहुत परेशानी हो रही है।
दिल्ली में बीआरटीएस की हालत बहुत खराब है। Fair share of road is given to very little traffic, and the maximum traffic is traveling on a very small percentage of the road, which has caused a lot of traffic jams and accidents. Plus, the worst thing is that the BRT corridor is made on every radius How do you expect the commuter to cross? They don't have overpass. They have to cross through the zebra crossing, and it's a very high risk proposition for an accident.
A bad failure in almost all other states. The Janmarg under BJP ruled Gujarat shines as the most successful BRTS system in India.
What the BRTS does is it runs right through the city, through the main corridor, so it could actually handle the main crowd in the city.
An exclusive bus lane is worked out on a network of corridors selected on the basis of a detailed study of public movement patterns. Thus, the system is designed to reach the largest segment of people.
જે બીજેપીએ આપણા ગુજરાતને બનાવ્યું છે અમે તો એવું જ ઈચ્છીએ કે પૂરો દેશ આવો જ બની જાય આપણું જન્માર્ગ આપણું ગુજરાત.
Making Ahmedabad a clean and green city, the BRTS is a symbol of clear success through various distinct efforts made by the BJP government. A fully equipped bus workshop provides necessary training to the personnel and an exclusive docking ground for maintenance of the buses. For affordable.
So in this way we can see that how the BRT system is working. I'll share this video, very nice video it is. So what is the concept? In one line I told that bus rapid transit is nothing but name given to sophisticated bus system that have their own lanes on city streets, and it ensures fast, reliable and secure and high capacity service. Okay, in BRTS stands for the system. What is the aim? Is the factors which are considered are travel demand, ease and implementation, everything. Why BRT system is required? Because it reduces the cost and convenience of the passenger. So these are the BRT systems all over the world. This is in Los Angeles, then in Portugal, Beijing and Colombia. What are the characteristics of BRT? BRT only have grade separated right of way or separated lanes they have. Serves as a diverse market with high frequency all day service, and it has a bus priority of bus fare collection. So the whatever charges are there we can pay of bus before or after also. Vehicles with tram-like characteristics, improved riding quality, like that, and specific image with a brand name, level boarding, stations, various separate stations are there. What are the environmental problems? So BRT systems overcome the environmental problems of petrol and all. They run on electricity, which reduces various gases, like that. Where are the BRT systems in India? In Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Jaipur. These are the existence BRT system with segregated lane or separate lanes. And in Mumbai and Indore, they are without separate lanes. And existing under construction are Surat, Indore and Rajkot. In Ahmedabad, you can see that the separate lanes are provided for BRT system, in which the buses run on the separate lanes. So in Ahmedabad, as we seen in the video, it is called as Janmarg. Or in the 14th October 2009, it is been inaugurated by Narendra Modi. Ahmedabad, you can see that how the Janmarg, the component parts of Janmarg are parking strips are there, pedestrian is there, garden is there, then BRT corridor is there. Here you can see that buses are moving in this corridor. So there is separate lane, you can see this. So this picture is very clear how the BRT system is working. Features of Ahmedabad BRT system: over 60 buses with GPS enabled facility, with two-way voice desk and passenger information system, as well as e-ticketing system is been provided. and it is using intelligent transport system. Why BRT in Ahmedabad? So Denmark has always been a project very close to Sri Modi's heart. Ahmedabad's actually population is 5 million, so there was a requirement for by transport system to have BRT system. Almost all leading international financial centers from London, Paris have mass transit infrastructure in place, and that this is exactly what Sri Modi is seeking to achieve for Ahmedabad, for which Denmark is only the grand beginning. All over India also Modi is going to provide this BRT system. So BRT routes, the total length is 276 km, and in Ahmedabad it is 44 km. So in picture 1 we can see how when the bus arrives at the platform, the door of the platform and of the bus open and thereafter close simultaneously before the bus leaves. Second picture we can see that in these stations are in the medium, or in the middles, the stations are in the middle. Ticket issuing is being done by in the middle of gauge that person. So these are good features of the station, is that they have provided ramp for physically challenged people to use wheelchairs. So this is a ramp is provided, and the platform have good seating arrangement, especially for ladies waiting for arrival of bus. Here you can see. So various awards are being awarded to Ahmedabad Jalamarg, the best MRT project in India. Then Sustainable Transport Award from the Transportation Research Board in Washington, and in the year 2011 it has been awarded as National Award for Excellence in category of the Best ITS Project. And in 2012, when Ahmedabad won the special mention in Lee Kuan Yew World City Prize, Denmark was one of the 3 projects listed as pioneer phase towards the city urban regeneration all over the world. So thank you very much.